Alright, next is the adverbs of time. They tell us about the time when the action took place. They tell us about the time when the action took place. For example, may I do work later? So, when he is asking permission to do the work, later. So, this later suggests time. कि वो बाद में इस काम को मुकम्मल कर सकता है. Clear? Ahmed has just arrived. Ahmed has arrived when? So, adverb of time answers when. Ahmed has just arrived. अभी अभी आया है या अभी अभी पहुंचा है. Is that clear? Adverbs of place. They tell us about the place where the action was taken. Right? So, place very clear. They tell us about the place of the action, where the action was taken place. Is that clear? तो ये adverb of place आपको जगह के बारे में बताएंगे कि वो काम कहाँ किस जगह पर अंजाम दिया गया, वो action जो है वो कहाँ किस जगह पर हुआ. He is here for the holiday. So here means यहाँ है. Right? It's raining. Let's go inside. Where is the place? Where to go? Inside. अंदर चलते हैं. So inside, outside, these are the examples of adverbs of man. Next, the two kinds of adverbs are not mentioned in your book, but you have already done this in your previous class. So it's better to revise these two also. Next is adverb of degree. Adverb of degree answers how much the action was taken place. How much the action was done. It was done quite well. It was done fairly. It was done too well. Entirely. It was completed entirely. The voice was very loud. How the voice was? Very loud. Extremely loud. Is that clear? Clear? So all these are examples of adverb of degree. It shows the intensity of the task, how much the work was done. Understood? So this adverb of degree answers how much. These are the examples of adverb of degree. I'm sending you the examples of all the types of adverbs. You have to learn these examples thoroughly so that whenever you are asked about any kind of adverb, it would be easy for you to mark the correct answer. And these examples will help you out to mark correct answers in your exams. Is that clear? Next is adverb of frequency. How often that action took place. कैसे कितनी मर्तबा वो काम हुआ. Always. He always speaks the truth. He sometimes visits his relatives. He often visits his relatives. Right? He usually visits his relatives. Occasionally visits his relatives. Seldom visits his relatives. He never visits his relatives. All these are the examples of adverb of frequency. How often that action took place. कितनी मर्तबा वो काम आपने किया. हमेशा करते हैं, कभी कभी करते हैं, अक्सर करते हैं, नॉर्मली करते हैं, यूजुअली आमतौर पर करते हैं, सेल्डम कभी कभी, शाज़ो नादिर करते हैं, सिमिलर रेयरली कभी करते हैं, नेवर कभी नहीं करते. So these are all 5 types of adverbs. Adverb of manner answers how. Adverb of place answers where. Adverb of time tells you when the action took place. Adverb of degree tells you how much the action took place. And adverb of frequency tells you how often the action took place. Now what you are going to do is to solve this activity 1 or 2. Activity 1 is quite simple. This is related to your adverb of manner. You have to add ly to complete these adverbs of manner. Change the following adjectives to adverbs: strong, strongly, quite, quietly, brave, bravely, slow, slowly, soft, softly. Just add ly with these and these adverbs of manner will be done. Your task is to solve this activity 2 today. That is, underline the adverbs in the following sentences. Read the sentences and underline the adverbs And after that, after you underline the adverbs, you have to categorize them, right? Write the adverbs of manner here, adverbs of place here, and adverb of time here. After you underline the adverbs from these sentences, you are going to write those verbs in the correct column, in the correct form of the, in the correct kind of the adverb. Is that clear now? So pick out at least 5 adverbs from the lesson and make sentences from them. This is your activity and this is your homework. This is what you are going to do. Revise the adverbs, their kinds, solve this question, right, on your book. So you are going to solve it on your book. Understood? Take care.